Plant FAQs, Caladium Fiesta. Embracing the vibrancy of Caladium Fiesta. As a passionate gardener, I have always been fascinated by the kaleidoscope of colors that nature has to offer. Among the many plants that adorn my garden, one particular favorite stands out, the Caladium Fiesta. This stunning variety of caladiums boasts a vibrant display of colors that adds a touch of exotic beauty to any outdoor space. In this article, I will share my experience cultivating and caring for these gorgeous plants, along with some tips for fellow enthusiasts who wish to introduce the Caladium Fiesta into their own gardens. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. What is Caladium Fiesta? Before diving into the details of cultivation and care, let's first understand what exactly Caladium Fiesta is. Caladiums are tropical plants native to South America, prized for their colorful foliage. Caladium Fiesta, in particular, is a cultivar known for its striking combination of hues, including shades of pink, red, green, and white. These heart-shaped leaves can brighten up any shady corner of your garden, making them a popular choice among gardeners looking to add a pop of color to their landscapes. Caladium Fiesta versus White Queen. When it comes to caladiums, my experience with Fiesta and White Queen has been quite delightful. Fiesta, with its vibrant mix of pink, green, and white, instantly adds a lively splash of color to my garden. Planted alongside other tropical plants, it stands out with its playful pattern and lush foliage. On the other hand, Caladium White Queen brings a more serene elegance. Its pure white leaves with delicate green veins create a calming effect, especially in shaded spots. Both varieties have their charm, Fiesta for its boldness and White Queen for its understated beauty, making them perfect choices for different moods and settings in my garden. How to grow Fiesta caladiums. Growing Caladium Fiesta requires a bit of attention to detail, but the results are well worth the effort. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choosing the right location. Caladiums thrive in partial to full shade, making them ideal for planting under trees or in areas with dappled sunlight. Ensure that the soil is well-draining and rich in organic matter. Planting. Wait until the soil has warmed up before planting your Caladium Fiesta bulbs. Dig holes that are about 2 inches deep and space the bulbs 8 to 12 inches apart. Place the bulbs with the eyes facing upwards and cover them lightly with soil. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water your Caladium Fiesta regularly, especially during dry spells, to prevent the soil from drying out. Fertilizing. Feed your Caladium Fiesta plants with a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season to promote healthy growth and vibrant foliage. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your Caladium Fiesta plants to help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. How to care for Caladium Fiesta. Once your Caladium Fiesta plants are established, they require relatively low maintenance. Here are some tips for caring for your Caladium Fiesta. Watering. Monitor the soil moisture regularly and water as needed to keep the soil consistently moist. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Deadheading. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves to encourage new growth and maintain the plant's appearance. Pest and disease control. Keep an eye out for pests such as aphids and spider mites, and treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Additionally, ensure good air circulation around your plants to prevent fungal diseases. Overwintering. In colder climates, dig up the Caladium Fiesta bulbs before the first frost and store them indoors for the winter. Place the bulbs in a cool, dry place until spring, then replant them once the danger of frost has passed. How to propagate Caladium Fiesta. Propagating Caladium Fiesta can be done through division or by planting tubers. Here's how. Division. Dig up mature Caladium Fiesta plants in the fall and carefully separate the tubers. Each tuber should have at least one eye. Replant the tubers in fresh soil and water thoroughly. Planting tubers. In the spring, plant Caladium Fiesta tubers directly into the ground or in containers filled with well-draining potting mix. Follow the same planting and care instructions as outlined earlier. What to plant with Caladium Fiesta? Caladium Fiesta pairs well with a variety of shade-loving plants, adding visual interest and texture to your garden beds or containers. Some companion plants to consider include hostas, ferns, impatiens, begonias, eucharis. By incorporating these complementary plants, You can create stunning combinations that highlight the beauty of your Caladium Fiesta display. In conclusion, cultivating Caladium Fiesta in your garden is a rewarding experience that allows you to enjoy the beauty of nature's palette in your own backyard. With proper care and attention, these striking plants will thrive and provide year-round enjoyment for years to come. So why not add a splash of color to your outdoor space with Caladium Fiesta?